front of the Fort St. John Canfor mill. And if you haven't heard, it was just announced yesterday that it will be closing by the end of the year, along with their Vanderhoof operation as well. Canfor announces closure of Plateau and Fort St. John sawmills in northern BC, following a thorough review of operating conditions, including the persistent challenge accessing economic fiber, ongoing financial losses, weak lumber markets, and increased U.S. tariffs. Canfor Corporation announced today the closure of its Plateau and Fort St. John operations located in northern British Columbia. These closures will impact approximately 500 employees and will remove 670 million board feet of annual production capacity from our BC operations. Absolutely a massive loss for British Columbia. And many of you have seen my videos before. It's because of the radical and extreme policies of the provincial NDP and Justin Trudeau's NDP Liberals in Ottawa.